Right now we have a bad blower motor. Well, the blower motor not working. Whenever you turn the fan on, the fan not coming on. So first, what you want to do, you want to check all your fuses and check the fuse on both sides. Make sure the fuse good. Check the relays. Pull the relay out. Switch it with another one that looks similar to it. See, does the blower motor come on? If that don't work, next thing you want to do is check your wires. Make sure you're getting power, you're getting ground and everything going to the blower motor. The black wire, that's your ground. The way you check your ground is you get a test light, put it on the black wire, and right there where you see the red circle, those are 4 constant positive. You want to check those. Just put the other end of the test light on those, and that'll tell you if you have a good ground. Now the orange wire you're looking on beside the black wire, that's a constant positive. So even with the truck off, key out, you still have 12 volts right there. When I check that, it's showing 14.45. So you're good right there. You know that you have ground. You know that you have constant positive. So we're going to check the other two. The blue wire with the white stripe on it, that's your signal wire. So when you turn on your AC or your heat and you turn the knob, or if you have a switch that turn it high or low, the blue wire is what sends a signal to the blower motor. So the higher you turn it up, the higher the volt will read on there. And the reading you should be getting on this one is 0 to 6 volt. It all depends on how high you have the knob turned up. Right now we're getting 5.02. So we're getting good reading. All 3 wires so far good. The blue wire with the orange stripe on it, that's your return wire. That wire should be reading about half of your signal wire voltage. Right now this one reading 3.83. So we got a good reading on. So if your blower motor not working and you don't want to just go out and buy a new blower motor before you check, see what's going on with it, that's how you check. That's how you diagnose the blower motor. Another check you could do if you don't have a voltmeter is get you a headlight bulb. Touch it, one end on the positive, one end on the negative, and see if it light up. If it light up, you know you're getting positive and negative to that blower motor. I went out and I bought a new blower motor, but the new blower motor wasn't working. So I did all this check to see if I have a bad wire or I have a bad switch. After I did all this, I realized that the new blower motor I buy wasn't no good. So I had to return it and get another one. And the other one I got worked. So you could buy a brand new part, and you get a bad part. Because that's what happened in this situation.